before you spend money on another miracle floor product. You might want to watch this because today we're talking about Floor Revive and whether it's actually legit or just another product that looks great in ads but disappoints in real life. Floor Revive is being promoted online as a simple solution that claims to restore dull, scratched and worn-out floors, bringing back shine and making them look almost new again without expensive refinishing. According to the official website, it's supposed to work on multiple floor types like hardwood, laminate, and even vinyl, which sounds convenient if your floors have lost their original shine over time. The idea is simple: apply the product, spread it evenly, and it should supposedly improve the appearance of the surface by filling in minor scratches and enhancing the gloss. Now on the surface, these claims sound impressive, but whenever a product promises dramatic results with very little effort, it's always smart to slow down and take a closer look. One thing that stood out is how heavily the product relies on marketing language and promotional images that make the results look almost too perfect. While there are some positive comments floating around online, many of them appear on the same types of pages that are designed to sell the product, which makes it difficult to know how many of those experiences are completely genuine. Another thing worth noticing is that floor restoration products in general can work differently depending on the condition of the floor, meaning results may vary a lot from home to home. Products like this often improve appearance temporarily rather than truly repairing deep damage, so expectations should stay realistic. That doesn't automatically mean Floor Revive is a scam, but it does mean buyers should approach it carefully and avoid assuming it will completely transform old floors overnight. If you're still considering trying it, the smartest move is to research the seller, read independent customer feedback, and compare it with other well-known floor restorers before making a final decision, so you know exactly what you're getting into.